What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a soundbar to your Skyworth Smart TV using Bluetooth. Now over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or size of Skyworth TV you have. By the end of this video you should be able to pair and connect any soundbar to your Skyworth TV using Bluetooth so that the sound or audio from your Skyworth TV will start coming out from your soundbar. First things first, you want to go ahead and turn on your soundbar and make sure that it is on pairing mode. So I'll go ahead and turn on my soundbar now, and to make sure that it is on pairing mode, I'll go ahead and change the mode of the soundbar to Bluetooth. So if your soundbar actually has different modes like HDMI, optical cable and so on, make sure that it is actually set to Bluetooth mode. And once that is done, you want to come over to your Skyworth Smart TV and then just head over to the settings icon that is usually at the top right corner of the TV. So just navigate horizontally to this settings icon, click on the settings icon, then scroll down and you're going to see the remote and accessories menu that is also on the Skyworth Android TV. So just go ahead and select it. That is also where you will find the Bluetooth settings. Now first things first, you have to make sure that the Bluetooth of your Skyworth Smart TV is turned on, and as you can see mine is currently turned on. Then you want to just scroll down and click on pair accessories over here, and automatically your Skyworth TV will start looking for available devices it can actually connect to. So you want to go ahead and select the name of your soundbar. Once it finds it, now just proceed to click on the pair option over here, and automatically your soundbar will be connected to your Skyworth Smart TV. But if your Skyworth Smart TV is unable to find the name of your soundbar, you can just go ahead and turn off the Bluetooth, turn it on again, and then try searching for accessories again to see if it will find the name of your soundbar. Once you're connected, you can go ahead and start playing any sound or audio from your Skyworth Smart TV, and the audio will start coming out from your soundbar. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.